All right, everybody, hello. You should be first off on page 64. You're going to need to basically copy this down. That means pause the video right now because you need to copy all this down into page 64. You will need a sum total of, are you ready for this? 6 colors. 6 colors. If you didn't already read the board, 6 colors. Please make sure you have already copied this down before you are turning to page 65. Make that page 63. So we're actually going to talk about a little bit about vocabulary first. Alrighty, so your vocabulary. You have a lot of vocabulary in this one, and you need to understand some of these words. So, and I want to try to give these to you as simple as I possibly can. So, alternate. That means like every other one. So like if I'm doing 2, 3, 4, and I'm highlighting the alternating ones, that would be like say 1, 3, etc. So they skip over. So think of alternating as it skips over. Exterior, exterior, outside. Interior, inside. Corresponding, they go in the same spot. So they go along with each other, same spot. Same side you should be okay with. Transversal line, I will show you how to do that. Complementary angles. So a lot of this stuff I'm going to be talking about on page 67. So kind of keep that in mind. Page 67 is going to be kind of a big one you're going to have to pay attention to. I'm sorry I'm not there because obviously I'm over at the doctor's office, depending on which time your class is. I might already be in Tyler, or I might be sleeping it off and trying to recoup from my trip from Georgia. Alrighty, so you need 6 colors. You're going to see me kind of flip-flop around a little bit. The 6 colors do not matter. So we're going to do the corresponding ones first. So I'm going to do all my corresponding ones in black. In fact, what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to use my highlighter colors. That way y'all can see these really well. All right, so my black ones. And you have some lovely letters down here as well. So I'm going to explain what these are. So we're going to basically say A is equal to A, O is equal to O, and A plus O is equal to 180. You're like, okay, what in the world, Miss Garrett? Where are these A's and O's? So you ready? A. Alternating. These are on opposite sides of the transversal. So first one we're going to do a transversal. Yes, I did a yellow. I'm sorry if you can't see it very well. It is yellow. I'm coloring the little arrow here yellow. Transversal. So alternating means opposite sides of the transversal. So as I switch colors again. So corresponding angles. So like this one right here is it does not trade. Interesting. There we go. Maybe it still didn't trade. Really? Done. All right, so now it'll work. All right, so a corresponding angle means I'm basically looking for the same angle in the same spot. So, for example, our one here, it's on top of my parallel line. So parallel line. And it's on the left side of the transversal. Now, if you notice, there is 2 S-A-L. There is 2 of these lovely parallel lines. So let's go ahead and highlight these parallel lines. Let's go lime green. So parallel line, parallel line. So left side or top of parallel lines. So let's go ahead and color code that. Yes, you do not have to color code this. You can just do this with your pencil, or if you want, you can get highlighters. Remember, they are underneath the lovely pencil sharpener. Please do not worry. I will let the sub know that, yes, you guys are going to be moving around a little bit. So, and on the left side of the, and it did not work again, it does not like me, of the transversal, and it's still not working. Sorry guys, technical difficulties here. Done. We'll do this, transversal. It looks like I get to color this over a little bit. Transversal. Alright, so let's now try this again. Hey, it worked back. Yay, good to know. Alright, so corresponding angles. That means I'm looking for the one that's on top of the parallel lines. Remember, I got two of them here. And on the left side of the transversal. So that means that this one right here is also technically a corresponding angle to that one. So if it'll help, you can think of this as angles 1 and 1. They're both in the same spot. So 1 and 2 are corresponding. 1 and 2. Okay. We also have these O's. So I need to mark our O's real quick. O, 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 A, A. So your A's are equal to each other. Your O's are equal to each other. And if you have an A and an O, they equal 180. All right, our next color. We're going to go ahead and do red. So alternate, exterior. So I need on the outside. So outside of parallel line. And forgive me if I do not try to highlight that again. And we're going to go opposite sides of transversal. Yes, I want you guys to write this out because I've seen a lot of students mess this up because they didn't have the vocabulary down. So this one's going to be red. So our red ones, let's say we've got this one right here. And for our time's sake, I'm not going to go ahead and continue numbering just because I don't want to confuse you, especially since you got it color-coded. So we have our red, and then we're going to have our other red. So opposite sides. Sorry about my phone. Opposite sides and outside. All right, from there, we're going to talk about vertical. Vertical are always diagonal from each other. Diagonal from each other. You have several of these. Each other. So this one, we're going to go ahead and make this blue. Oh, I already made it purple. Never mind, purple. So this one right here, because it's sharing with this one, is going to be exactly across or directly diagonal from this one. Now, when we do same side interior, we'll do that one blue. That means inside parallel lines and same side of transversal. V, as I'm trying to write really small, V-E-R-S-A-L. Sorry, it looks a little funky. All right, so this one, we're looking for, bada bing, bada boom, the inside, and it's going to be on the same side. So, same side on the inside. That'd be this one right here. Now, alternate interior, which will be our lovely green one. Alternate, remember, is opposite sides of transversal and inside parallel lines. All right, so we're going to make this one, and because I'm running out of colors, I'm going to go ahead and change this to orange. And I may be missing a couple. I'll have to look. Oh, I never colored the alternate interior. Oh no. Alternate interior. So, same side, or not same side, inside, opposite sides. There we go. Now I can do my last one, which is orange. Same side, but on the outside. So outside of the parallel lines. And that is really, really close to another color. Let's see here. Let's see if we make it pink instead. We'll make it pink instead. Ooh, that's much better. Ah, nope, that's also close. So it really helps if you find a different color. Let's see, is this one different? That one's different enough. We'll go with that one. And this one. So, same side, but on the outside. So, same side on the outside. And guys, you are about to do an iReady lesson as well that I put in that'll help you. All right, so this, we're going to talk about angles real quick. This one's an acute. That's because it is less than 90. You have your right angles, which is this one right here. That is any angle that's a 90. This angle right here, I'll make those little angles. This is an obtuse. That means it is greater than 100. That's greater than 90. And this one right here, because that goes all the way laid out, this is what we call a straight angle. So, straight angle, as I'm trying to finish writing here. All right, so acute, less than 90. Less than 90 degrees. This one is 90 degrees. This is, we'll call it more than 90. And this lovely straight angle is 180 degrees. So remember, if you need to rewind or do any of that stuff too, make sure that you got this on your stuff. Go ahead and do so. This is a kind of at your own learning as you need to. I will see y'all Tuesday. Remember, I'm doing tutorials on Tuesday morning for test corrections. So if you need to do test corrections, come see me then. I will not be there that afternoon, but if you'll let me know, I can get your test corrections to another teacher. Thursday, I actually traded with Miss Mickey because she is covering my duty today. So you'll need to probably go see Miss Mickey or Miss Jones for Thursday tutorials. So hope this finds y'all well. Let me know if you need anything.